Hey everyone, and welcome to my video where we're going to be going over what a class attribute is. So let's go ahead and get started. So what is a class? A class is kind of like a group, right? With elements, multiple elements can have the same class associated to it. And a class is a styling, or it can be used as a selector for JavaScript. And you're essentially grouping those elements and you're saying that you want these elements to look or behave the same. So a way that you write a class is, let's say you have a div here, and then div here, right? And then you have a paragraph, my content 1, my content 2, my content 3. Let's do a header. Let's just do header 2. So with a class, the way that you tell an element that you want it to be associated with a class, you literally just write class and then equals, and then you give it your class name. So in order to give it a class name, we first need to create some styles. So let's create a style up here, some inline styling. The way that you give a style, so let's say that we want to give this class red color, right? And red color, the class red color, and let's say that we want to give this one class red color. And let's say that we want red color to just change the text to red, right? So how we would define it in here is red color. And notice that I have a period here. This period signifies that this is a class. For an ID, we're going to go over this in a later video, but for an ID, it's this. And if that was the ID, that was the name of the ID, then it would look like this. But right now we're dealing with classes. Classes start with a period, okay? So let's say that we want the color to change to red. So now whatever has the class of red color, so for instance this and this will be red. Let's save that and refresh. You can see here that these two are red. And now let's say that you want to add, you can add multiple classes. So now let's say that you want to add, another class. You could do that by just adding a space and then just adding another class name in there. And each element can have as many classes as you want. And as you can see, a class can be associated with multiple elements as well. So here we would do small text, and we would do font size, let's do, 12 pixels. Save and just refresh, and you can see that this one became smaller because it has a small text. Now we can do the same thing here. Save and refresh, and you can see that this became smaller as well. And you can add more than just, color and font size. You can add all the attributes that we've already learned about, and many more. So anyway, I hope this video helped, and if it did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. All right, everyone, have a good rest of your day. Thanks.